Hello there. I just shipped a new feature, Audit Logs, in my multi-tenant FastAPI plus React app. It automatically tracks when the user creates, updates, or delete records, and also if someone views any of the pages here. Um, Here's the UI. You can basically filter based on the action type. I just put some pretty basic actions such as read. It will only show read only access, that is which entity it's accessed and who accessed. It's basically a user ID and timestamp and the endpoint. And also for the updates, there is no update. I haven't done any update yet, so there is nothing is there. And also delete, I haven't deleted any entity in the system. Create, of course, I didn't create anything new recently. Errors, login, and log out. So yeah, you see what exactly happened. And also if I update somebody's for example, I'll update Jessica 1, female, of course, update that user. So it will take a bit time to see the changes here. Sometime it will be much faster. Here you can see this update, user update. This is my admin user ID. I just did this update at 6:45 time. And also if you see the new changes is Jessica 1 and the gender is female and the role ID and the active state, and the old data would be Jessica and the gender male, role, everything is there. So this would give you some basic information about who made some changes in the entity. And of course you can also export this. If I click download, it's a background job running. Once you click the download, once the report is ready, it will be emailed back to the user who requested it. And the audit log is basically protected by permission based. So yeah, for admin, they can see it. It is also applicable for tenant. For example, if I go to my tenant, this is a tenant that I created in this app. Here you see, you can also, the tenant can also have this. It's completely isolated and tenant aware. So yeah, all the details, everything is here. It's completely, you will also see the tenant ID. It's always the same for this tenant and who performed what, all the details are there. So the nice part is the logs are not stored in the database. They are written as JSONL files. It's in shared location, so that keeps performance high and storage cost low, especially for apps with frequent updates. So I built this because I needed a basic transparent event history for admins and compliance workflow. So yeah, if you like this feature or you want to add more functionality, please let me know or open an issue in the GitHub repo. Of course, if you overall like this template and like this open source project, please give me a star on the GitHub, and also just feel free to let me know what you think. And of course, if you want to add anything else or new features that you want to build, just let me know or create a GitHub issue. I am happy to take a look. If that makes sense to me, I will definitely implement that in this open source template, and it's going to be always free. It's open source. You can just download and do whatever you want. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye.